Internet or the World Wide Web, even a child knows today. You Google a word or you put it in Bing or any other search engine, then it immediately satisfied your curiosity. You get happy that World Wide Web is one of the most inventive things that mankind has come across. Three connotations which are associated with this web in the form of a network of networks of computers which contain information, which contain data, and there are engines which are running to process this data, to throw up the information, to throw up the results, satisfy the requirement of somebody who is dwelling on the web. There are two things. One is called a surface web, another is called a deep web. Deep web also is associated with something which is called the dark web or the dark net. Now, surface web is something which is amenable to the people who are looking for information from the community that is onboarded into the web. It happens through a method called indexing. Once a content is uploaded to a web there are several protocols. A discussion, I reserve it for some other day. Once it is loaded, if it is indexed, then the search engines can, based on that index, can display the result. One of such indexing is called the contextual indexing. The method based on your searches or the profile of the individual who is searching the web to display a particular result. The second is called a dynamic context. Geography changes, location of the computer or the type of the computer is known. In the ecosystem, somebody is operating in an industrial ecosystem, the results could be different. The surface web is the area of the World Wide Web which is most commonly accessible through the surface of the search engine, through a method called indexing or some pattern which could be discovered by the search engines. Surface web is just about 2% or 3% of the total World Wide Web. The rest of it is access restricted deep web. You require a protocol to access it. Let us say you are searching on Apollo hospitals. You can find the basic information, but definitely you will have to supply your username, supply your password, and supply your other credentials in order to get to your medical records. You are with State Bank of India internet banking, you will have to supply. So this is called form or credential level access to the deep web. Deep web generally has the information which is subscription based, where access is controlled, data is not in immediate public domain. Data is available only to the people who are allowed to access it or who are allowed to use it, or government data or law enforcement. All these are in deep web. In the year 2001, the deep web was 500 times as big as the surface web. And it was growing so rapidly that today it is considered that most of the information is in the deep web. So it may be around thousands of times, if not millions of times more than the surface web. A part of the deep web is called the dark web. Dark web is those informations which are available through a process of encryption or through a process of deep coding. These are hidden behind anonymity of location, identification. Sometimes indexing is so jumbled through codes that information could be scattered. These dark web information is often used by drug peddlers, by arms dealers, by child pornographers. Many times people associate dark web with deep web. But as I just now told, deep web is the benign web mostly. Part of it is this rogue web, which is called the dark web. And the darknet is most of the time a small, minuscule. In fact, dark web number of websites will be limited to thousands. It will not go even into tens of thousands. These are also used for storing some very critical information, and many times this anonymity of the dark web is used by the liberal societies and liberal gatekeepers of democratic values to ask questions to the powers that be. For example, the whole of WikiLeaks is in the dark web. Many of the journalistic exchange or for the exposures are in the dark web. It is prone to be used by the legal activists, whereas deep web is the general protocol to be used where public domain could be misused. And of course, the surface web is the area in which there is a general play. If I upload a website, generally I will index it so that search engines will be able to find the content of my video, find the content of my message easily. If it is e-commerce, the way in which people should access be restricted, then we go to the deep web. So that is surface web, deep web, and dark web for you. Thank you very much.